Welcome to Module 3. In this module, we will discuss how to approve GL transactions. These include journal entries, cash transfers, cash deposits, and budget transfers. So far, we've discussed creating unapproved journal entries. I've purposely delayed discussing the approval process until this module since we need some new unapproved journal entries to approve. Even though we're only approving JEs, the approving action is the same no matter what type of GL transaction is being approved. As a reminder, recall that only the cash deposit is approved at the county office. All other transactions are approved at the district business office. For all of our GL transactions, there is a single approval program which can be found in the General Ledger Processes folder that is within the General Ledger Reports Processes folder. It's called Approved Transaction, which I'm selecting now. Only persons who have the proper security setup can approve GL transactions for a district. Assuming that you have such a security setup, here is how to approve journal entries. First, you select JE Journal from the pull-down list. There are 3 identical pull-down lists which allow you to approve up to 3 different types of GL transactions all at once. If you don't want to approve anything that is outstanding, you can limit your approvals to a specific set of transactions, either by date range, transaction number, or range of dates entered. In our case, we will approve just one JE, the one we just created. Since I know its transaction number, I select JE Journal for the transaction type, and then enter my transaction number like this. Notice how if I enter only a single number as I did, I can select the next part of the field and it automatically completes the range for me. Now all that remains is to select the Submit Job icon. And the approval process starts. An approval report is generated and loaded into the Print Manager where we can view it. Let's jump over to the Print Manager. Here's the approval report entry in the Print Manager window. Selecting the approval report entry in Print Manager, here is the report itself showing a successful approval. Let's close off the report and return to our journal entry. Notice that nothing appears to have changed. But once we select the process icon, our JE changes to approved with a date and time updated. Now that you've completed Module 3, you know how to create, edit, and delete unapproved journal entries, cash transfers, and budget transfers. In addition, you know how to approve such transactions assuming you have the security to do so. What remains are cash deposits, which are the subject of Module 4. While you can create, edit, and delete cash deposits, you cannot in general approve them since the county office performs that function. In addition, cash deposits are a vital part of the receipt function and accounts receivable known in QCC as invoicing billing management. So let's proceed to Module 4 to learn more about this vital GL transaction.